I decided to have a look inside this snowman. This is the wind-up unit, held in place by that ridge going around the inside of him. He's sort of rubber, or soft plastic anyway. So you have to line it up so it pulled out. Looks rusty. Looks like it might come apart. Because I noticed one of the legs doesn't seem to be moving. If I wind it up, this one moves, but the other one doesn't seem to. There's something sticking loose there. So, let's have a look. Oh, yeah, right. That little bit there probably fits up there, doesn't it? Ah, yeah. Hang on, coming close. That little piece there should be fitting on there. It's going to come out. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, should just be sitting on there. Oh, dropped it on the floor. Oh well. I thought that was going to be an end to it, but I found it again. So it's that little bit of plastic. It's got a moon-shaped hole in it, or half moon-shaped, which lines up with that little peg there. Or should do if we get it in the right way round. There we are. That's back on. That one sits on there. Because those are offset, that's what pushes the legs up and down. That's better. They're both going to move now, except that one's also missing, yeah, a bit of his foot. Oh well. Let's see if we can get it back together anyway. Making hard work of this. It's in place. Wind that up. That's better. Except we are missing one bit. Now we've got to try and get that back in there. We've got to push that in somehow. Got to sort of distort it to get it to fit. There we go. And then a bit like fitting a tyre on a bicycle. Lift that lip up, get it in place. Or can we just push it? seems to be doing it. Done. Yay, it works. Yeah, well, there we go. A little bit of perseverance. And we've got a walking snowman. Yeah, pleased with that. I wonder if we can fix this fella.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.